Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
The President of South Africa, Comrade Jacob Zuma, who closely worked with my husband, and I'll tell you something that you didn't know. He was the last person to be with Chris before he was assassinated. I don't know where they had gone to do whatever, but he was the last ANC leader to see Chris.
Sanibona, ngiyethemba niyaphila. Ngeviki eliphelile ke kwaba khona ivideo ya trenda kakhulu la after i-interview i-NCA yebe nayo na Valushu Yalus lo okuyena wabulala uChrisane. Kwase kuba nevideo trenda kakhulu. Ngifisa ukuthi sixoxe ngalo nto leyo. Ngiyafisa ukuthi sixoxe ngalo nto leyo ngoba kuyivideo uveza ukuthi uZuma waxhumana nomunye ayeboshwena noma ehamba naye. Kodwa noma yena ethi akazi ukuthi leyo nkulumo lokubonana kwabo kwaphethe ngani noba kubonanga lutho kodwa liphathekayo. Ngiyafisa ngisikhuluma ngalokho. Angazi mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi uZuma uhlangene nababulala uChrisane noma kwenzakalani, cha, angizi ukungena kulelo mkhakha, kodwa ngizoletha nje amavideo anhlobonto bese kuba kuwe ukuthi udecide ukuthi wena ngokubona kwakho ubona kanjani. Kodwa ngaphambi singene kuma video ngicela usubscribe kule channel, ulike ivideo, ushiye ukubona kwakho kwe comment section below. Ungajoina ne membership yale group iqala ku R20 ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Ngicela ke uzwe la.
It makes me actually realize, you see, with impatience, the need to defeat, this regime. And I don't mince my words when I'm speaking about this regime. I hate it intensely. I hate it. Every time I stand on a platform, I'm reminded of these gruesome atrocities. I'm even reminded of my own children. If they had succeeded, they would have killed. My children were, at that time, one of them was 2 years old, another one 10 years, a baby. And I saw it as basically an inhuman regime, a cruel regime. People who were fighting for a right to oppress the majority of the people of this country. And I disagree with a lot of people who think that de Klerk and others have changed. Because de Klerk and others have done nothing about removing the forces that they created. It's not just Hammer, Van der Vestes and Gert, Hugo, or whatever his name. It is those people who strategized and worked out the strategies and tactics of destroying us. De Klerk, Rolf Meyer, Adrian Flock, Magnus Malan, Big Potter, who were in the center of the strategy of killing people, in the State Security Council. And therefore, that's why some of us have got reservation about the amnesty they are talking about. Before you consider an amnesty, let us see what they did. When we were coming back, they wanted us, they forced us to fill forms to say, what did we do? And I think that should apply to them as well.
Njengoba ubona ivideo le ngifaka ekuqaleni, baclipe leya video leya phakathi nendawo, base befaka yona ke bathi uZuma wokugcina wabona uChrisane funeka sithethe ubani wabulala uChrisane. Kodwa ke ngithe mase ngilalela ivideo yonke ngathola ukuthi lo mama ubekhuluma ngenye into. Kodwa ngaphambi basingene kule video ngifuna ukuletha nje lama video ahlukene kube nguwe ozodecide ukuthi ngabe lento eshiwo ngabantu yiyo noma ayisiyo. Mina angisho ukuthini, kodwa simzwela uChrisane mayikhuluma yena ngokwakhe sezwe futhi into ayikholelwa kuyo. Engicabanga mina angisho ukuthi kunjalo. Engicabanga ukuthi mina isona sizathu esenza ukuthi kwenziwe isu lokuthi abulawa. Ngoba phela lensizwa lezi kunezinkulumo ezithi ukhona wayezithumile ukuthi azimdubule. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi shuthi abantu laba babesebuholini babehlukene kabili. Kukhona ababethi de Klerk abaxolele njengoba kwagcina kuba naloko kokubuyisana. Bese kuba khona abathi njengoChrisane ababethi de Klerk abashushiswa baboshwe ngoba yebo vele laba abebecindezela abantu, yibo vele ababulala abantu, abukho ubungcono ababenzile. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba imbono yayihlukene futhi kubona ukuthi uChrisane wayene influence, ngiku mina nje personally kube ngangikulesixuku esingapha kulabantu abafuna kube noxolo, ngangahlangana nabo laba simenzele isu simsusa. Kodwa lokho ukubona kwami ngisho nje ngoba ngiyacabangela ngikho kuleso simo. Kodwa ngifisa ukuqhubeka ke ngiphinde ngilethe. Ngizoletha nje ama video ahlukene. Lama video ngizowaletha ngoba ngifuna wena ukube wena ozodecide. Ngicela uzwe la.
Actually, only one member of the family who visited me. And well, that was, as I said, I can have only good words for this one. First person who didn't tell me from the outside, you are lying, you are that, you are that, you are that. She was ready to listen, and as I told her everything I know.
Who else? Did anyone else come?
I know that Clive was visited by Jacob Zuma.
What did he want?
I don't know what he wanted, but he was very positively discussed. It looked like he is going to help us somehow, but I didn't know why, and finally nothing came out of it.
Was Chris Hani the first person that you had shot at or killed?
I don't see these questions as irrelevant to what we have been talking before. As I say, I will disclose all the facts relevant.
Iyona ke lenkulumo eyaletha ukukhuluma kakhulu lathi khona umuntu amkhumbulayo kulabo ezepolitiki wabavashela lomunye ubhuti uJacob Zuma. Kodwa ke ikhona indoda engicabanga ukuthi ngizoyidedela la ikhuluma ichaza ukuthi ingoba kwakwenze njani. Kodwa ngifisa ukuletha lezi zinto manje ngifisa ukungena ekuthenini konje ukhululwa kanjani lo baba azagcina ephume ejele. Uphume kanjani ekhisho ubani? Lana ngine video engizoyidlala kaNkosikazi kaChris Hani ekhala impela ngokukhululwa kwale ndoda ejele. Ngoba le ndoda ikhombisa ukuthi yona izisoli yakhululwa kanjani ngoba kwakuthiwa ikhululwa obani. Ngaphambi ngene ke kule video le ndoda ezochaza ukuthi kungani uZuma ahlangana nalo muntu lo athi lo wahlangana noZuma noma engazi ukuthi akubanga namphumela eyaba khona. Kodwa uzochaza ukuthi bahlangana ngoba kwakwenze njani. Okwesibili ngizofaka ivideo kamakoti kaChris Hani ekhala yena ezwakalisa ubuhlungu benhliziyo yakhe ngesinqumo esasesithathwe ngaso sikhathi imbulali kaChris Hani aphuma.
I don't really give a shit because this court has not even addressed the victims. I don't exist. He is busy giving us a lecture about a Polish man who came to South Africa to kill my husband. Do you understand how I feel? Now he tells me everybody is equal in South Africa. So as far as Zondo and Co., they are corporate, whatever they call close corporation in our border, constitutional court. I don't know why it's called constitutional court. This is dictatorship at the highest. This country is finished. As long as we have this court led by Zondo and this club of his, we are done. We should forget about this country. That's why I say, Lindiwe Sisulu, may she live long. She's the only one in this country who saw through these guys. I'm not surprised. Now look at it. The same day, the same court, they have Comrade Jacob Zuma case today, and they decide to have this one. It is not a coincidence. I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. Chief Justice Zondo has failed this country completely, and I'm not going to apologize.
And within 10 working days, Yanis Walus must be released. You
can see this has been decided. I mean, he just wasted our time giving us a lecture about governance of the minister. He should just have gone straight to the point, you know? But let me tell you, this country is finished. Where in this country, a foreign white can come into South Africa, kill my husband. I don't know if you heard, Zondo never referred to my family, to myself, to my children, and the trauma and the suffering. He couldn't give a shit. Sorry for my...
Isililo salo mama la sikhulu ngoba ukhala ngokuthi ngesikhathi bethatha isinqumo bona njengomndeni abaziswanga afuthi abazange babe nandaba nabo ukuthi bababikele ukuthi thina njengomndeni thina njengabantu abaphethe sithatha naso isinqumo umndeni ukuthi lo mbulalo wabulalo wanithathela ubaba wengane umkhwenyana kuwe wabathatha labantu labo wambulala sizomkhulula manje umama lo uyakhala khala impela nje isililo sakhe sibhlungu mawuzo kodwa yena ublame uJaji uZondo ngithe mina kuwe mangiqala lenkulumo ngathi mina angizukusho lutho ukuthi ubani wenzeni ubani wangenza ini kodwa ngifuna ukuletha nje inkulumo futhi ngifuna ukugwema ukuthatha la ukukhuluma khona uZuma ngale ndaba kaChrisani uma kufanele kodwa ngizoyifaka kodwa ngifuna ukucaphuna nje lento lezi ezimbalo kube wena ozosihlanganisela kube wena futhi ozosiphumela nesinqumo sakho sengizodedela manje lensizwa ezochaza ukuthi le ndoda yayihlangana noZuma kwakwenze njani ngoba phela iyahlupha ivideo vele uthatha iclip phakathi nendawo uvele wenza ivideo ngayo bese sithi sizoconclude kuyo kodwa ke sizodedela yena asiphi incazelo uma sesiphila incazelo bese sibona sithatha ini futhi enye siyahlanganisa bese siyibeka lenkulumo kodwa ekugcineni kosufuna kube uwozothatha isinqumo
Walusi ukuthi adubule uChrisani ngokubufakazi babo kodwa bekulokhu khona izinkulumo zokuthi surely ngenze ukuthi bakhona ababe kwi-ANC to put it blank ababa nesandla ekutheni kubulala uChrisani so babe sebeboshwa ke labantu ngo-2005 wabe esecela isicelo lo owayiboshiwe uClive ukuthi ucela ukuthi alethelwe uZuma ejele after esezame uku-applyela iparole engayitholi uZuma went into a secret mission wahamba wayohlangana naye lokhu okukhulunywe le ndoda akuyona ke into entsha yavela naseyindabeni ukuthi uZuma uye wahamba wayohlangana noClive and babe nethemba lokuthi uma mhlawumbe uZuma sebehlanganile naye because uZuma apparently wayene interest yokuthola ukuthi ubani owayethume bona njengoba sebeze baboshwa nje so babefuna iparole okucacayo ukuthi uZuma akayitholanga into ayeyifunile kulamadoda ngaleyo ndlela akayebanikezanga iparole uClive wazama uku-applyela iparole kaningi uZuma esewu-president wadinaywa waze wakhishwa inkantolo okuyiyona eyathi lo muntu uyagula usezofa kwaba yijaji elokhu unqabe njalo uhulumeni kaZuma ukumdedela wamdedela ke ijaji ngo-2015 kanti ngonyaka ozolandela loyo wabe sefa so uma lo ophuma ejele ethi uyazi ukuthi uZuma wahlangana noClive mhlawumbe kusha kwabanye but kuthina silokho esasilandela lesi story akukho kusha okusenza ke sizibuza ukuthi why lo mlungu lo ewagodla onke amanye amagama kodwa kube lula ukuthi alikhiphe elika Jacob Zuma imaphi lamanye amagama awagodlayo athi akekho ethlibhathi ukuthi angakhuluma ngawo futhi akafuni naye ukukhuluma ngezinto ezingam-incriminator later imaphi lamagama anzima ukwakhipha kodwa likaZuma kube lula ukuthi alimenshine
Siyabonga kakhulu kubhuti ngencazelo asiphe yona futhi incazelo yakhe inhle ngento eyi1 ehamba nama-article okungikuthi nawe uma ufuna ukuzigugulela wona ungangena ku-Google ubhale uzoyithola le information akasitshelanga nje kuphela kunama-article abelokhu evela kwi-screen sakho nawe nje ngesikhathi sakho nje ukhululekile ungajahe ndawo ungakwazi ukuzibhekela uzibonele wena ngithanda kubufakazi obunje ngiyabuthanda ubufakazi obunje ngoba ubufakazi obubhaliwe obukhona masidlulela phambili sesiyaqonda manje ukuthi abantu abebemelene nokukhishwa kombulali kaChrisani uYalus Valus ulo unkosikazi kaChrisani umelene nako futhi okubhlungu uthi bavele bakwenza lokhu banga contact ama victim ukuthi wena bathini uJaji uZondo nje bavele bazithathela bona isinqumo ngokuthi nje yena watshelwa nje ukuthi in the next 10 days uzobe siyakhululwa lo muntu kodwa ukuthi umonakalo awenze empilweni zabo ungakanani azange bakucabanga lokho ngoba abenendaba kusho njalo yena umama bese abesibili esazi ukuthi babemelene nokukhululwa kwale ndoda kwakuyi-EFF yazi yabhala istatement angeze ukusifunda ke statement kodwa nasi la kwi-screen sakho EFF yeyabhala istatement imelene nokukhishwa kwale ndoda ukuthi cha uhulumeni wase-South Africa akakwazi ukuyenza lento lo muntu lo fanele afele ejele ngoba wenza into ebhlungu kabi eSouth Africa ebaphuca amanto njengomholi kubo EFF kanti ulo uSecretary General we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi nabo beyi-ANC bazama impela ukuthi basinqande lesimo sokuthi le ndoda ayingakhishwa lapha ejele njengoba namhlanje sithi ayizoli yayingaphinde futhi mayengaphiwe ithuba lesibili ngaphinde imbulale futhi kodwa uthi nabo njenge-ANC bazama impela ukuthi balwe nazima kodwa yabehlula inkantolo zwana la.
What do you want me to say about this killer Charles Walus? I mean, we were correct from the onset to oppose his release. And he has shown the world, and he has shown everybody. Remember, we went to court and were defeated in South Africa. Communist Party, our government, went to court to oppose the release of this man. Now he goes there, he says he will repeat it even tomorrow. We are vindicated. This is a killer, callous killer. Janus Walus, and no remorse, nothing. And we were right that he must not be released. He must stay there in jail and all of that. He went to the TRC, said nothing, and so on. So
Ubaba Mbalula usho khona lokho engikushilo nami ukuthi bathi nabo njenge-ANC bazama impela ukuthi balwisane nale nokukhululwa kwale ndoda kodwa ke yabahlula inkantolo babe bamsane ne-Communist Party ngoba nayo yayimelene nokuthi kukhululwe le ndoda uYalus Walus lona ngoba namhlanje sekhuluma ukuthi yena akazisoli uma ngasathola ithuba lesibili angaphinda futhi akwenze ekuqaleni. Bani bakwethu esikhathini esiningi uma kuvela into ezinje ngaphambi basiphakamele emoya siconclude asofuna evidence. Ngibuka ama-video amaningi ngezwa nezinkulumo eziningi ingakho ngithi angilethele inkulumo ngigweme ngamabomu ukufaka ivideo la kukhuluma khona umsholozi ekhuluma ngokufa kaBaba uChrisani. Isizathu senza ukuthi ngingayifaki ukuthi yonke le nkulumo bezikhuluma sibheke kuye. Manje ngithi cha angilethe la bese kuba wena ozodecide. Kube wena nje odecide ukuthi ngobufakazi obukhona ngabe le nkulumo le ndoda ethi uJacob Zuma wahlangana noClive kuyamenza na abe ngabantu abanolwazi abanolwazi ukuthi uChrisani uzobulawa na. Ngokucaphuna le yankulumo enkosikazi kaChrisani la ayebonga khona ukuthi uZuma umesekile indodakazi yakhe ingene kuma drugs wayesethi futhi uZuma indlela amsize ngayo ubona ukuthi ufanele ukumsiza ngoba umuntu ogcina wabonana noChrisani ngaleyo nkulumo nje ongayazi ukuthi isukaphi so ngazi uconclude ingakho ke ngithi angilethe lama video bese kuba wena ozozithathela isinqumo. Mina nawe sidibane kwi video landelayo ngiyabonga kakhulu.